Road dogs are built for sleeping in. I've been up since 4 a.m. At your worst, you're better than my better day. There ain't been no sun in LA since you moved out of Sarah's place.
I love your mother's stories about you as a kid. I heard you scored a job in the East Village. Well, working for some folks who don't know your name. Well, ain't you gonna miss all them wasted days? We'd sit around drinking out of Sarah's place.
Don't come back, lover, I'm proud you're under the skyline. We always knew you were the better half of our good times. Those backyard lights don't shine as bright without your face. Out of Sarah's place. You called to talk just last week. I'm still falling apart like I'll always be. And your picnic chair is still sitting there in the yard. And I had to sell my old guitar. But don't come back, lover, I'm proud you're under the skyline. We always knew you were the better half of our good times. Those backyard lights don't shine as bright without your face. Out of Sarah's place.
You'll always be a piece of my peace of mind. We drove that road we know at least 1,000,000 times. I'm so damn tired of seeing that empty drive out of Sarah's place.
Don't come back, lover, I'm proud you're under the skyline. We always knew you were the better half of our good times. Those backyard lights don't shine as bright without your face. Out of Sarah's place. Hey. Plane tickets have gotten awfully expensive, but I got mine for the price of a Gibson.